Ever thought a pumpkin could send chills down your spine? This Halloween, we're diving deep into the eerie world of scary pumpkin painting ideas that will make your guests scream. From blood-dripping designs to glowing ghoul faces, you won't believe how spooky a pumpkin can look with just a little paint and imagination. Stick around if you dare, because you'll need these ideas to become the ultimate Halloween legend. What are some of the easiest scary pumpkin painting ideas for beginners? If you're new to pumpkin painting, don't worry. Scary doesn't always mean complex. You can start with some simple yet terrifying designs that will instantly transform your pumpkins. Classic jack-o'-lantern face. A black outline of a sinister grin and triangular eyes is a timeless, scary design. It's easy to do and incredibly effective. Ghostly white pumpkin. All you need is white paint to cover the pumpkin and black for hollow, haunting eyes and mouth, creating a ghost-like appearance. Blood drip effect? Use dark red paint along the top and allow it to drip down for a blood-soaked pumpkin look. Simple, but so eerie. Want more terrifying tips? Hit the like button if these ideas are giving you chills. How can I make my pumpkin glow eerily in the dark without carving it? Who says you need to carve pumpkins to make them glow? Here's how you can create an eerie, glowing effect using just paint. Glow-in-the-dark paint. Use glow-in-the-dark paint on the pumpkin's eyes, mouth, or even the whole surface to make it stand out in the dark. Neon web design. Paint a neon spider web pattern across the pumpkin using black light paint. When the lights go out, your pumpkin will glow creepily. Flickering LED lights. For an extra spooky effect, paint translucent eyes and mouths, then place flickering LED lights inside or behind the pumpkin. Found these glowing tricks helpful? Drop a comment below with your favorite technique. What are some creative and scary pumpkin painting ideas for an advanced look? Ready to take your scary pumpkin painting to the next level? If you want your pumpkin to truly stand out, these advanced techniques will give your designs an edge. 3D shadow effects. Use dark shades of gray or black to paint shadows around the pumpkin's face, giving it a haunting, three-dimensional look that pops. Creepy monster mouth. Paint a gaping mouth with jagged teeth, adding blood-red paint around the edges to make it look like it's ready to devour someone. Demon eyes. Create glowing demon eyes by painting glowing pupils on a black or dark-colored pumpkin, making it look like it's staring into your soul. Love these advanced techniques? Check out the description for more eerie painting ideas and tools. How can I use household items to enhance the scariness of my pumpkin paintings? You don't need fancy art supplies to create a frightening pumpkin. Many household items can take your scary designs to the next level. Use old makeup for shading. Old eyeshadow and eyeliner are perfect for adding depth and shading to your pumpkin's creepy features, especially around the eyes and mouth. String or yarn for spider webs. Wrap string or yarn around your pumpkin to create realistic spider webs. Paint the string black or white for a ghostly web effect. Nail polish for shiny blood drips. Create shiny, wet-looking blood drips using red nail polish. It dries glossy, giving your pumpkin an even more terrifying appearance. Enjoying these budget-friendly tips? Hit subscribe for more DIY Halloween ideas. What are some unique painting ideas that mix scary with humor? If you love blending horror with humor, these scary but funny pumpkin ideas are perfect for creating a memorable Halloween vibe. Vampire pumpkin with fangs. Paint a pale, vampiric face with blood drips from the mouth, but add plastic fangs to give it a funny twist. Zombie pumpkins. Eating smaller pumpkins. Paint a large pumpkin with a zombified face and place smaller pumpkins painted as victims in its mouth for a hilarious, scary scene. Mummy pumpkin with googly eyes. Paint a mummy wrapping on the pumpkin, leaving space for big googly eyes. It's creepy, but also guaranteed to make people laugh. Love mixing scares with laughs? Share your own spooky funny ideas in the comments below. How do I preserve my painted pumpkins so they last through Halloween? After all the hard work you've put into your scary pumpkin, you want it to last. Here's how you can make sure your painted masterpiece survives the Halloween season. Seal the paint. Use a clear acrylic spray sealer to protect your paint job from moisture and fading, keeping your pumpkin looking fresh. Keep it dry. Place your pumpkin in a dry, shaded area away from direct sunlight or rain to prevent the paint from peeling or fading. Use Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly on any exposed parts of the pumpkin's surface to keep it from drying out and rotting quickly. Want more tips on preserving your spooky decorations? Be sure to check the description for our detailed guide. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to scary pumpkin painting ideas that will turn heads and send shivers down spines this Halloween. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these techniques will help you create pumpkins that haunt the imagination long after the trick-or-treating is over. Now it's your turn to grab your paint and unleash your creativity. Will you dare to make the scariest pumpkin on the block? Final CTA. If you love these pumpkin painting ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the description for more creepy Halloween content and products featured in this video.